Hi there. I'm Vladimir Sherbakov, and I got a question from Joe about. I'm sorry, about smoothing the prawns, smoothing. Can we get enough smoothed micro prawns for render in Rhino or in Matrix? Unfortunately, I have to say that we can't get enough smooth. We haven't easy way for this using only Rhino or Matrix. I usually use for these things um, uh, ZBrush. It's very easy for smoothing in ZBrush, and if we need mm, uh, some kind of this effect, we have to use ZBrush. And I try to show you how we can make it. I haven't a model, and I try to make it not exactly like this, but for mm, just example for smoothing. Okay, and I start new project. Okay, and start with new new for example this. Where is my green rail? Okay, green rail, and add outside ring. I will not spend a lot of time for modeling. Okay. Okay. Add some I use a Rhino 7 Wiz with with Matrix 7 with Rhino 5, and therefore I can use new features from Rhino 5. Okay, no, escape. Okay, head builder. Some of I'm sorry, one rail and something like this. Okay. We need a model only for rendering, and therefore I will make it okay, something like this. Sorry. Oh, okay, something like this. So okay, and add some profile. Okay, second rail. Okay, and something about this 2.5, and now we need add gems, 2 millimeters. Okay, let's make a sweep to rail, and this okay, almost that we need. Edit and gem tops, and maybe a little deeper. Okay, like this, or like this. And maybe delete and make new add one more. Uh, 50%. Okay, and F10 and make it okay, like this. Okay, return. Okay, and now middle button, mouse button, and one more time. Select profiles, 1, 2, oh, right click. Okay, something like this. Now I can make it a little higher, edit, and higher. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's make a cut for this pins. Okay. Curve and and something like this, and 10. Do. F11 for hide points, and head builder, and edit a rail a little. Okay. I want to remind you that I don't try to make this ring, and I only want to make some ring for demonstrate ZBrush smoothing for this. Okay, let's start again. I need to. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not rename. We have now December. Okay, December, and save my model. And now extrude. Can I extrude from this menu? No. Extrude both sides. Okay. Cutting. Okay. Okay. Hint. Maybe make it a little bigger. Okay. I hold the shift and scale my okay. Okay. And make a general builder. Okay. And make a microprons from saved delete, and once again and make another microprons. Style like this. No. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Let's select and this and deselect and this and mirror, right click, shift. Okay. I have to inform you that when I click left we will see red rings around pointer, and right click you will see a blue one. Okay, I think it's good enough. I select that's all and save it, and now I cut tools, Boolean builder. I have to flip this surface, face side color it, and back side is gray, and I have to flip this surface, flip. Okay, flip, and now I can delete. I save it right once again, and select cutting layer and move it. It's inform you that this surface is invalid, but I know it, and I'm sure that I won't use it. Therefore, I can start. I will make it one by one and do boolean. Okay. Okay. We have a good enough shape for manufacturing, but it's this sharp edge, so will sharp edge, so not good enough for rendering. In Rhino 5 we have one instrument for smoothing edges, but it's not good enough for me, I think. Therefore I try to show you how it works. Okay, I select a solid polysurface and right click for softering on. Yes, radius of softering sharp edges, and chamfer. It's not round, and only chamfer edge. I don't remember exactly what means about this and this points. Okay, right click for finishing, and now on rendering you will see a not so sharp edge. Let's look at this. Okay, this edge, you can see this edge that smoothed, but it looks ugly. For small render it's enough, but not for finishing, not for presentation. And where is my shaded? Okay, and now I remove this smoothing. I can do it by object properties. Here I select object, and now after applying software we have this icon. We can edit software. We can check or uncheck some points, options, and edit around. Okay, I deselect this and close panel, and now I save this that thing, Ctrl A and save it, and save it here too. And now I have to export for ZBrush. I think I will. Okay, I cut these parts and these parts for better looking. I make a jump cutter and this kind of cutters, and now I okay, and now this part of our ring and do boolean. Okay, and okay, once again save and select this and this part and export. Where is my export? File, export, selected, and I can use object file type or STL stereolithography. I don't know how it. Oh, okay. 3 and maybe STL. It's not okay. Save and set up this. I have a setting by previous using. Okay, let's look at this preview. Okay, for export for ZBrush, I prefer to set up a minimum length, minimum edge length, about 0.1 preview. Okay, it makes a more short. Okay, let's not so tight. Okay, mesh. Okay, export. Okay, we have a file, and now I start and ZBrush. Ooh, and now I start from there are many ways for using ZBrush, and I'm not very experienced in the brush, but I experienced enough for smoothing. Okay, let's do it. I use 3D printer exporter and STL import, and now I try to find. Okay, and now I draw this part. I switch to edit mode by typing T or clicking this icon, and now we can edit F for zoom, and now I can make a smooth. I Shift F for looking at triangles. Okay, I prefer to convert this model into Dynamesh. Therefore, I click a geometry panel in Tools panel, and now click Dynamesh, and make it higher, about 1000, and I deselect project and select polish, and now click Dynamesh. Okay, okay, now you can see that our mesh make more tight, and Shift F hide this. Now I can make it smoother. I show you some ways for smoothing. It's deformation and polish by dragging this slider. Okay, polishing is now doing. Okay, as you can see, you have more smooth edges than in beginning. Okay. F. And now we also can turn it these points on, and it's I'm sorry, it's if we hold the Ctrl and oh, I'm sorry, okay, Ctrl and point on some sliders or switch, we can read about we can read about this instrument. Therefore, closed circuits is without maintaining a volume of object. Okay, it's okay. What was this? Okay, and now I show you a instrument tool for smoothing, manual smoothing. I use this pointer. Okay, smooth tools, brushes works when we hold the shift. Press shift and hold it. Okay. Okay. And when I hold shift, we get a smooth brush, and we can make it smoother. Okay. For changing size of brush, type S and draw this slider. Okay, but I don't want to smooth by only this way. I want to, I'm sorry, I want to show you another smooth brush. For example, Smooth Peaks or Smooth Valley. Smooth Peaks, okay. I can spend it information, but I don't want to do this. Okay, and now I'm sorry. You have to show some another tutorials about ZBrush interface. Not mine. You can find it in the internet. And for dragging, you have to hold Alt key. For zooming, you have to hold Alt. After that, drag pointer and release Alt key, or just use this icon. Okay, I hold Shift and have a Smooth Peaks brush. Therefore, when I use it, we smooth only peaks, only peaks, only sharp edges. When we use I hold Shift and put it, and Smooth Valley, we will smooth only valley, and this is more suitable for our for making this valley not so sharp. Okay. Okay, hold Shift and smoother it. Okay, let's do it. We also can use symmetry, but I don't want to do this now because it's too much information for one time. Okay, that's almost there. Okay. Smooth peaks, and Okay. And now I have to export this mesh to the Rhino again if we need it. I save it, save this file. Okay. And now that plugin and export. Before export, we shift F. It's a very it's a lot of triangles we have, about 1 million. It's too big for our needing. I'm sorry for my English. Oh, and I have to drink a lot. Oh, not a little. Okay. Okay, and now Shift F. Oh, I'm sorry. Shift F, and we use the plugin decimation master preprocess. Okay, and once again, and we can set up this how many triangles will be removed. Okay, how many triangles or points we have after decimation. I'm sorry for my English again. I don't know exactly how to about pronunciation of this word. Okay, just do it. Okay, about 200,000 of triangles. We can Control F. We can look at this. Okay, and now our mesh is not so tight. Okay, only on curved surface. On flat surface we have not a lot of triangles. Or we don't have a lot of triangles. Sorry for my English again. And now the plugin 3D print export. Oh, I'm sorry. And update size. Okay. I use millimeters usually. Okay. I'll update again. Okay. And export. For importing to Rhino, I use object format of file format. For rapid prototypation, I use STL. Now I will use a object and okay, 3 and 1 object, save, Okay, I can turn my ZBrush off, save, no, and now I have to import object, okay, open, import, nothing, ignore text, okay, and now I have a mesh with smooth edges. Okay, I put it in center. Okay, and just move it. Okay, something like this. Turn off this and this layer and move it here on this layer, and now we have for example, we have a smooth enough, well, I'm sorry, green. Okay, let's try to, okay, save it for render and try to render. I usually use Rhino for rendering, but I can try it now. Okay. Where is the gems? Oh, yeah. Where is the diamond? Diamond, white diamonds. Okay. And I think we for better results we need more smoothing on this edge. We have to make a smoothing a couple of times, dragging those sliders that I showed you. Show. Oh, I'm sorry for my English again, but in this points is good enough. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your time. It was Vladimir Sherbakov. Look me at YouTube and find me in Facebook. Vladimir Sherbakov. Thank you. If you have work for me, please contact me by comments or something like this. Hi. Bye. I'm sorry. Okay.